Ever wondered about the crucial role mRNA vaccines have played in our fight against COVID-19? These scientific wonders have indeed changed the game. mRNA vaccines, otherwise known as messenger RNA vaccines, equip our bodies with a blueprint to create a protein that induces an immune response. This response acts as our shield against the virus. In our battle against COVID-19, these vaccines have shown themselves to be indispensable, fortifying our defenses and aiding in controlling the virus's spread. The revolutionary work behind these is the product of the tireless efforts of two remarkable scientists, Katalin Karikó and Weissman. In recognition of their groundbreaking discoveries concerning nucleoside base modifications, which paved the way for the creation of effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19, Karikó and Weissman were awarded the prestigious 2023 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. The Nobel Assembly in Sweden honored these two brilliant minds on Monday, attributing the world's ability to combat the COVID-19 pandemic to their invaluable work. Born in Hungary in 1955, Katalin Karikó embarked on a journey that would revolutionize medicine. Karikó, a biochemist of Hungarian-American descent, specialized in the intricate world of ribonucleic acid, or RNA for short, specifically focusing on in vitro transcribed messenger RNA for protein replacement therapy. This was a path fraught with challenges as she faced major obstacles and skepticism within the scientific community. But Karikó was not one to be easily deterred. She held fast to her vision, a vision of a world where mRNA could be harnessed for vaccines. And she didn't just dream, she labored, she researched, she persevered. Through her tenacity and brilliance, she laid the scientific groundwork for mRNA vaccines, a groundbreaking development that would prove pivotal in our fight against COVID-19. Karikó's pioneering work culminated in her being awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2023, an honor she shared with Weissman. Weissman, an American physician-scientist born in 1959, is another pillar in the foundation of mRNA vaccines. His contributions to RNA biology have been monumental, shaping the course of modern medicine. Weissman, serving as the inaugural Roberts Family Professor in Vaccine Research, has been a beacon of innovation and advancement in the field. His work transcends individual achievement, however. Weissman's collaboration with Karikó, a partnership of shared vision and unwavering determination, has led to numerous accolades. Their joint research prowess has brought them recognition, most notably the prestigious Lasker-DeBakey Clinical Medical Research Award. Together they navigated the complexities of mRNA, decoding its potential and transforming it into a powerful tool against disease. This dynamic duo's work has culminated in the development of effective mRNA vaccines, a groundbreaking solution in the fight against COVID-19. Weissman's work, along with Karikó's, has been instrumental in creating effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19, earning them the 2023 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. The work of Karikó and Weissman has truly transformed the field of medicine. Their contributions have paved the way for us to combat global health crises like COVID-19. So let's honor their remarkable journey by cherishing our thirst for knowledge. Let's learn, grow, and appreciate the beauty and power of science. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting content.